Thinking of starting a business in DMCC? Well, you're not alone. With more than 24,000 companies already operating from this zone, DMCC has become a go-to destination for entrepreneurs and international investors. But how exactly do you set up here? In this episode, we'll walk you through the full process, clearly, practically, and without the fluff. Hi, I'm Richard Kupche from Safari Star. We've helped dozens of clients register their business in DMCC, from early stage startups to established global companies. Today, I'll show you how to navigate the DMCC setup process, step by step, and what you can expect at every stage. The first step is deciding what actually you want to do, and making sure that the activity is allowed under the DMCC's business license framework. DMCC supports over 900 activities across sectors like consulting, trading, tech, media, finance, and more. Once your activity is clear, you'll choose the type of company you want to form. Most businesses go for a free zone limited liability company, the FZ LLC. But there are also options to set up a branch or even a subsidiary of an existing entity. Next comes the formal pre-approval process. You'll submit a few key documents, typically a passport copy, a proposed trade name, and a brief business plan or summary. DMCC will run initial checks and confirm whether your name and activity are approved. This phase is fast and fully digital, which helps to keep the process efficient. Once you get the green light, you're ready to move to the legal setup. Now it's time to structure your business legally. DMCC will ask you to submit the Articles of Association, shareholder agreements if applicable, and the proof of share capital. The minimum share capital for most setups is 50,000 dirham, and it needs to be deposited into a UAE-based corporate bank account once it's open. For some low-risk service businesses, DMCC also offers a flexi setup with no upfront capital deposit. But having that capital ready is still strongly recommended for long-term planning and bank approvals. Every company in DMCC needs to lease a physical or virtual space. Options range from flexi-desks to private offices and full-floor commercial units in one of the 80-plus towers inside JLT. Your office size depends on your visa quota, so if you plan to hire staff, keep that in mind. DMCC real estate team offers support here, or you can work with a licensed agent to secure the best location for your business type and the budget. Once all documents are approved, your lease is signed and the share capital is confirmed, you'll submit everything for a final review. Within a few working days, DMCC will issue you your license and you'll be in business. From there, you can open your bank account, apply for visas, and start your operations. DMCC also provides support via their online platform to manage renewals, visa quotas, and company updates. So that's the full process, from vision to license, for setting up your business in DMCC. As you've seen, it's professional, digital, and designed to help you move fast. But choosing the right package and getting everything approved smoothly still requires expertise. In the next episode, I'll break down the real costs of setting up and running a company in DMCC. We'll go beyond headline fees and look at office prices, visa costs, bank setup, renewal fees, and what hidden charges to watch out for. If you want to avoid surprises and make the smartest investment possible, don't miss it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, so you'll be the first to know when it drops.